Now that we've had a look at how to navigate around our viewing panel, the next thing that we're going to do in this lesson is look at how to start changing the different poses of our character. To do this, we need to open up in the Skellington directory Human IK. This loads up the character control menu. Now, because Ali is my only character, he's the only one that is selected for the character controls. For the source, there is nothing selected at the moment. If I click on there, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create, by pressing Control Rig, a control rig that links up to Ali. And here is my control rig. If you look at the control rig, there are certain points around the skeleton that link to different parts of Ali's body. And if I click on his right shoulder, you'll see that because I have the move tool selected, I get my move tool grippers and handles that have now appeared. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change that by clicking on the rotate tool, and then by selecting each of the different sections, I can now rotate my character's right arm. By going lower down, I can click his elbow, and again exactly the same with the rotate. I can move and rotate his elbow, and at the wrist, again I can do the wrist, and I can change the pose of my character, and that is the same for each one of the attributes. I can quickly look down his left arm, and I can change the position of his left arm. If I now change that to move and try and drag his arm out here, because they are all linked together, and it would change the proportion of my character's body, Maya does not allow this to happen. All I can do by moving up and down, it will keep my arm in proportion and the position of it relative to the body. As you can see, I can move it, but things stay together. Your task now is to set up your character controls in your control rig for your character and have a play with changing the different poses with the different points and seeing how you can change your character and the different poses and the different things that you can do with them.